The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a versatile action camera that builds upon its predecessors with notable enhancements, making it a compelling choice for both amateur and professional content creators. Design and build. Maintaining GoPro's signature rugged and compact design, the Hero 11 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without additional housing, allowing users to capture footage in various environments. Image and video quality. The Hero 11 Black features a 27-megapixel sensor capable of recording 5.3K video at up to 60 frames per second, delivering high-resolution footage with impressive detail. Stabilization and horizon lock. Equipped with Hyper-Smooth 5.0 stabilization, the Hero 11 Black effectively minimizes camera shake, resulting in smooth and steady footage. The introduction of horizon lock ensures that the horizon remains level. Night shooting modes. The Hero 11 Black introduces new night shooting modes, allowing users to capture creative shots in low-light conditions. Battery life. The camera is equipped with an Enduro battery, designed to perform better in cold temperatures and extend recording times, while specific battery life can vary based on usage and settings. Overall, the GoPro Hero 11 Black stands out as a robust action camera, offering high-quality video recording, advanced stabilization features, and user-friendly operation. Thank you so much.